screw's too long. It's too loose. The camera wobbles all over. It's in the bag.
Yeah, so you're saying just drive there and jump out when we get there. And then
It's the bunch of wood there.
There's Captain Tommy. We'll make sure we document that. Welcome back to another episode of Can't Wait Outdoors. Over here hunting doe days with Alpha Gun Club. Got a good group of guys, probably about 25, 29, 29, 28, 30, something like that. Getting ready to blast away. Bucks or does today. Probably a big doe or buck. I would prefer a buck, so primarily just buck hunting. But if the situation presents itself, it might be happening today, so we'll see. We're about to get our first drive started here, and we'll bring you in. Thanks for watching. Yo! Come on, response. 2 shots. Did the miss streak continue? Woo! Danny. Yo! Woo! Oh, finally some shots. Oh my gosh. Yo! Nice. Buck down. Let's go. Yo! Going back. Yo! Hold up on the left!
downside here.
Well, finally, no shots fired yet today. 3rd drive. We're in the middle of it. We had the side stand shoot. I think we have a buck down. Then we just sounded like deer going back on the drive. So, we thought we weren't going to have a episode here today. So, fingers crossed. There's still light on some footage. So, hopefully some deer run to me.
He was like, what you doing with your record? My dad took my bow away from me.
Buck down, buddy.
I didn't shoot it.
I know. Good job. You guys shot
a
it
puppy.
down. Oh.
And then I shot my biggest deer of my life. Opening day of permit. And the same, all the same piece of wood.
And we drove it shotgun. We killed nothing.
It's like Mickey's deer.
That's a brute right there, boy.
Big buck.
Get a good
We got him.
Take a picture.
Take a picture and
tomorrow's trophies today.
Post it on.
Spoon and crock pot, right?
All right, let's
Oh.
Did I put your gloves back in your
Been
pockets?
snowing.
Starting to rain.
Yeah, probably.
Snow.
I didn't know. I have
Lock it up.
I don't want to.
You think it's easier to do that?
Oh.
I don't know if you can turn that stuff around.
So how'd he come to you, Bill? That's what I want to know.
on all 4 legs. He
Oh, he
left
just-
on 2, and then the second shot was just killed, just to finish him off.
You got it all right in the shoulder.
Yeah, I hammered him. When I shot, he friggin' went down. He was doing this crap, and I got him.
Do that again for me.
He was doing that, and then I one more shot. That was just kind of like,
He
I
just
got
likes to
him.
pull the trigger.
oh, shells are cheap, dude.
Oh yeah.
Steve's only got 4.
I'm gonna start walking now.
All right, let's go.
Why don't we just drive down? We gotta go out to that road anyways.
Okay. Now you can't get tired.
Huh?
You can't get tired of your own camera. What you do to that poor thing?
Fucked it up.
Oh my gosh. It's still got baby fur on it.
Oh, yo,
Okay,
yo.
get out of the way
Whoa.
so the guys can get their stuff. And
Look
we'll
at
see the
this,
deer.
dude.
Get out
All
of the way.
right, I'm not gonna listen to this tiny thing no more. That
Look at him.
is a
It's
giant.
monster buck.
He said it's only a 2-pointer.
Yeah, that is a big buck.
That's a big horn.
He goes, I would-
You think that one's small? Look at this one.
Watch.
Whoa, whoa.
Look at that one.
I thought you killed 2 deer.
2 deer and a kid, apparently.
That's field.
Yeah.
The tag was underneath. It ripped out of his ear.
Look how fresh he still is. It ripped his ear. It was brand new. It's so fresh.
Huh?
That's Mickey size.
Here, I got it.
Oh, that one might be bigger than Mickey.
Triple O's, dude. I friggin' tore his ass up, but he was like, he did the friggin' chest plow, like, you know, pushing himself,
Yeah.
and got like into some thick stuff, and he popped into a hole. I shot him again.
Logan.
I was like, I don't feel like friggin'.
Lucas, did you have fun?
Yeah.
No? You were bored?
Don't you dare.
Yeah.
Why didn't you shoot the trigger?
Do
Why
it
didn't you
before,
pull the trigger? Why didn't you shoot the
January,
gun?
or before February.
You want to take a picture with it?
This, yo, are you guys gonna help me get this monster deer in the back of my truck?
Drag it for him.
Let's see you do it. Since you think it's so small,
That's actually not that small.
Go help him, Lou.
you think it's so small.
Doing pretty good.
Grab a leg. Here, grab one of these legs. No, you got the horn.
You think it's so small. Oh, monster.
Tiny compared to us.
Triple
You're going the wrong
Right in
way.
the face.
You're going the
Poor
wrong
kid's
way.
gonna get a hernia.
Wait, where's this one go?
I don't know where that one's
Hold on,
going.
we don't know where it's going.
I actually think it's going to that black Silverado, honestly.
No, it ain't.
You gonna be able to pull him?
Let your brother help you.
Is it your...
That's a big deer.
Mine's next to it.
Wait, we don't know where that one's
That's right
going,
there?
Logan.
Wait,
That's
we
your
don't want to drag
Silverado
real
right there?
dirt in there.
I thought it was... That's shutting her down for first day, opening day of Doe Days here in New Jersey. Called it quits at like, I don't know, it's like 11:30, maybe 11 o'clock. I think we got done the last drive at 11 o'clock, and then we were gonna do a last one, and then started to sleet a little bit, and the powers that be called it. So we ended up one-sided Y-buck and a little skippy. So pretty slow day, but we didn't kill any breeders, so it's one positive to come out of today. So we had what did we do? We did 3 drives. First drive, nothing came out of. Second drive, we had quite a few deer come out of, but no shots, and they just all went back in the right spots, and I guess they'll be there next weekend. So I think we'll explore that option again next weekend. And then maybe that last drive we were going to do today, do next weekend. So yeah, we'll see. So hopefully we'll have another episode coming out for you the week after this, which we have doe days. So I probably have like 3 more weeks of doe days that I'm going to end up doing, or having some kind of handful of videos coming. So, you know, keep an eye out. I really appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Catch us on the next one. Can't wait.